Hey Zach, how you doing, man?
What's happening, man? What's going on? Bone. Wow,
Bone. Just you want to say Bone is on fire.
man. Just wild.
So I have to tell a little story on my buddy Zach here. So we both own a little bit of Bone, but Zach called me, what was it, 36 hours ago? He's like, dude, this is literally what he says. Here it is. This is a quote. I answer the phone. He's like, dude. I'm like, yeah, what's up, man? You got to buy Bone, man. Got to buy Bone. And I'm like, man, I'm leaving the house. I'm just like, got to buy Bone, man. This is like, he said it like 4 times, right? And I'm like, well, evidently we got to buy some more Bone. And I didn't. I don't think you did. And it's up. It's up. How much was it up? It's just crazy.
Well over 100% in the last 48 hours. I think it's like 150% last 48 hours.
So let's go here. Hold on. Let's find this. I looked at, there it is, Bone. Yeah, I was looking at it. So it's up 10% right now.
It's come down a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, but right here, this is the big story right here where my mouse is, right? I mean, we're rolling along, doing $1, you know, and I own a little bit, but not a lot, right? And then like, woo, and then wham.
Yeah, just out of nowhere, man.
I think, you called me, it was a couple of days ago. So you called me right in here. It would already ran up like 30%. You're like, dude, I mean, I can't make that up.
Running, yeah.
Dude, got to buy Bone, dude. Got to buy. I'm like,
that's pretty good impression, too. Do I really sound like that?
Yeah, you do. You're like, dude. I'm like, what am I? 18? Dude. I'm kidding you, but it was funny. You're like, dude. I mean, I'm not kidding you. I went, dude.
And I didn't even listen to my own advice.
And you did not listen to your own advice. You did not. You did not. Yeah. So, all right. So here it is. So, tell the guys and gals watching the video, what is Bone? What is Bone? Give them a little 1-minute commercial about Bone. Go.
Yeah, of course. So Bone is the governance token within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Right now, we've got Bone and Leash. Of course, we have Shib. Leash is our store of value. Bone is the governance token, which in layman's terms just means it's the token that allows you to vote within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So Austin and I, we've been hanging out all day covering Shiba Inu on our respective channels, hanging out on Zoom. We recently were just talking about the metaverse, and there's some new information out on the metaverse. And one of the things they mentioned in there was the community is going to be able to put forth ideas for what they want to see in the metaverse. Well, what allows you to have voting power in those decisions? The Bone token. So that's why it's so important. Here's the thing too, Austin. I've been saying this a lot, man. So there's I don't want to say a majority, but probably a small minority of people who have this idea that, hey, if Bone's going up or Leash is going up, that it's bad for Shib, right? Like, we don't care about Bone. We only care about Shib. Listen, guys and gals, Bone is still important to Shib. Shib's not going to be dethroned anytime soon by Bone. It's a $7 billion market cap. Bone went as high as like 15 million here today. It's a sister token or brother token, right?
Just part of the ecosystem.
Yeah, and it brings more eyeballs in, right? If Bone's going up and they didn't know about Shib, well, now they do, right? So I just want to kind of get out in front of that narrative a little bit and kind of hopefully add a good perspective there, because I'm hearing that a lot in comment sections and on Twitter and things like that. And it's not that at all. It's a good thing for Shib. It really is.
Well said, sir. So what is your opinion as to why Bone is running like it's running? I mean, we were rolling around where my mouse is for $1 kind of forever, right? Why is Bone running? Why the dramatic uptick?
I think it's multifaceted. I don't think there's one thing to pinpoint, right? I think number one, Shibarium's getting closer. We're getting closer to Q3. We know Shibarium is going to be released then. Bone is going to be the gas token within Shibarium as well, in addition to being the governance token that allows you to vote. So it's going to have a crucial element there. In addition to that, there's been some rumors with Gate.io, one of the top exchanges, potentially listing Bone soon. And thirdly, a little smaller exchange, Bluebit, they're from the Blue Sparrow token. I actually had an AMA with them on my channel recently. They've listed Shiba Inu and Bone. Interestingly enough, right when they listed Shib, Austin, was when Shib went parabolic. They listed Bone yesterday, and look what happened. I don't know. I mean, maybe there's you know, something going on there. So I think it's multifaceted, man.
Bluebit is a market maker.
It's the secret sauce, man. In your words, it's the secret sauce. I think.
All right, we're just kidding. We don't know that. All right.
No.
So,
yeah.
All right. So let's wrap up. This is just an interesting kind of scenario. So I would tend to lean more heavily on, I think you've got, I think it's Shibarium, the coming of Shibarium. And then I think, you know, right here on this chart, again, this is Shiba Inu ecosystem, classic FOMO. We start running a little bit, and people start kind of FOMOing in. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying I think that's part of it. So to kind of wrap up again, obviously Zach and I both have our respective channels. We support the ClearCryptos channel, the project. It's an amazing project launching in the very near future. If you're interested in that, links in the description to all of their website, their socials. Get into their Discord, check it out. All the latest and greatest information as to when the launch is going to happen and all that is will be in the Discord. So with that said, we will see you later. Take it easy.